Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, Bank Nifty and both Nifty opening, or not Nifty, but Bank Nifty, opening with a gap up and then seeing so much weakness, but at the end closing so strong over here. As you can see, like just see this candle over here, right? Whereas Nifty, as you can see, opening with a gap up, kind of consolidating for pretty much like like the majority of day and then doing such a good momentum in the last half an hour, right? But as I said in my Telegram channel when Bank Nifty went below 43,000 that I am not getting the conviction to sell over here. And for the right reasons, as you can see, we did such a good recovery over here, right? So again, you guys can go ahead and join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I share a lot of thoughts over there about the markets, and also I share a lot of educational. I also share my trades, so it's really helpful for you guys if you are new to the market and you wanna just understand a few things. You guys can go. So it can really help you guys. So do check it out. It's the link is in the description. Okay, but anyways, moving on to the analysis over here. As you can see, Bank Nifty opening with a gap up, and I was expecting because there was this trend line over here and we took a very good resistance from the trend line. So what I was expecting is that we would move down once over here, take some support near 43,000. I was expecting that we would take some support over here itself and then start moving from here, but we went a little bit more down and then we started moving up, right? But anyways, that's not the problem. I'm ending with more than 1% profit today. I took trades on both these sides. As you can see, I shorted the C and the P both. Although I could have held my P for more time, but yeah, but what happened was these candles really spooked me out because this really doesn't looks that good of a price action over here, right? So I just decided that okay, let me take an exit. I am already in good profits for today, so let's just keep it simple, right? Yeah, so that's why I didn't held it. But if I would have held it, man, like I would have been in at least like 1.5% or somewhere like 1.5% more profit, which was really amazing. But thing is, what can you expect for tomorrow is that, see, if you see in kind of a wider time frame, Bank Nifty has been consolidating since last Friday. As you can see, within this range of 43,000, 350, 330, 240, 2,000, kind of 900 to 800 on the downside, right? So this range tomorrow could be broken out very easily. So tomorrow, if you open flat and start moving up from here, I'm expecting a very, very trending expiry on the upside, because then 43,500 seems like a very, very easy target on the upside. But since there are no targets, all the call sellers will start panicking and they'll start covering their positions very, very fast in the market. And I think tomorrow could be a very trending expiry that we have not seen since a long time, right? I'm just going to show you guys why exactly will the call sellers panic, right? So if you see Bank Nifty, or I'll just show you guys the OI in Bank Nifty. If you see, there is a very big OI on in all these strikes of 43,300, 400, and 43,500, right? Tomorrow, if we start crossing yesterday's high, all of these people will start panicking and covering their positions, which could lead to more short covering tomorrow also, right? So tomorrow, simple plan: if you open flat or anywhere above 43,000, kind of anywhere above 43,100, I'll wait until 43,300 is crossed, right? If we do open somewhere over here, right, kind of somewhere near 43,100, right, and if we start crossing on the downside, right, 43,000 becomes very, very important over here. Why does 43,000 becomes very important? Because first of all, it's a round level, and this buying started from 43,000, right? So if we get any closing below 43,000, tomorrow I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to stop, right? To go down, right? Today we did stop, but tomorrow I'm not expecting, because then this kind of will look like a failed breakout. So tomorrow, if we start going below 43,000, then you guys can expect 42,800 to 42,700 at least. At least that could be your target for tomorrow. You can even plan for further targets like 42,600 and 42,500 very, very easily. which could come for like on a Friday or even on Monday, right, next week. Any sort of a gap down, and I'll still be interested in selling in Bank Nifty, because then because we've closed in a very good sentiment, in a very bullish sentiment, and if we open straight up with a gap down, a lot of people who would have bought over here, they'll start panicking, and because of that we could see a very very good move on the downside, right? Any sort of a gap up, I would be a little bit skeptical, because I would be a little bit skeptical, and you could expect a good amount of volatility tomorrow, because 43,500, as I said, is a very good upside, like, round level where we could take resistance. And if we straight up open with a gap up somewhere near 43,400, also, a lot of people who would have bought over here, they would start booking their profits. So we could see some sort of a pullback over here. However, if we do see bullish price action being made near 43,300, then you guys can again go bullish from here for higher levels, for higher targets. Yes. As of Nifty, as you can see, Nifty looking more bullish, as you can see. But tomorrow, Nifty could be a little bit kind of hard to trade, as you can see, because I mean, if you open flat, right, and if we cross over here, right, say if you open near 18,780 or 790 and cross over here above 18,816, your SL will be like somewhere near 18,670, which is a very, very big SL, right? Your stop loss will be very, very big. So I would not be so keen, although you could take a trade over here by keeping the stop loss as day low, or the candles low that would cross it. So that could give you a small SL over here. But Bank Nifty seems a little bit more suitable for trading tomorrow, to be very honest. Yes. So tomorrow also Nifty, if we cross from here after opening, you can easily expect 18,900 as your first target on the upside. On the downside, again, as I said, if we do open with a gap down, the sentiment will change very fast. And then below 18,670 is when we can expect Nifty to see a very, very good sell-off coming in Nifty, right? Till at least 18,600. That's a very given over here, right? Then we could even chase for higher targets of 18,500 on the downside. If we do open to the gap up, then I could plan for selling, because Nifty has been very, very bullish since the last few days, and there could be a very good profit booking if we open with a gap up, right? So yeah, I guess that was it for tomorrow. I hope you liked my analysis. And yeah, thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.